Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The LG 38WR85QC-W represents a significant entry in the high-end ultrawide monitor market, providing a massive 38-inch canvas that sits between standard 34-inch models and the enormous 49-inch super ultra-wides. This specific model features a 21:9 aspect ratio, which has become a favorite for those who find 16:9 screens too restrictive but do not want the overwhelming horizontal span of a dual monitor setup. The resolution is set at 3840x1600, which is often referred to as WQHD+. This resolution is particularly noteworthy because it offers more vertical room than the standard 1440p vertical resolution found on most ultra-wides. That extra 160 pixels of height may seem small on paper, but it translates to a much more comfortable experience when reading long documents, editing code, or scrolling through web pages. The panel itself utilizes Nano IPS technology, which is designed to provide vibrant color reproduction and wide viewing angles, ensuring that the image remains consistent even when looking at the far edges of the expansive screen. This monitor is marketed with a white finish, which sets it apart from the sea of black and gray peripherals typically found in professional environments. When examining the build and design of this monitor, the focus on ergonomics and aesthetics is immediately apparent. The chassis is finished in a clean white color that extends from the back of the panel to the stand, giving it a modern and minimalist look that blends well into bright office spaces or contemporary home setups. The stand is a substantial piece of engineering, offering a full range of adjustments including tilt, height, and swivel. Having this level of adjustability is critical for a 38-inch screen because the large physical dimensions require precise positioning to maintain a healthy posture and prevent neck strain. The curve of the display is rated at 2300R, which is a relatively subtle arc compared to the aggressive 1000R curves found on some gaming monitors. This gentler curve is intended to provide a more natural viewing experience for productivity and creative work, as it reduces distortion at the edges of the screen while still helping to keep the entire display within the natural field of vision. Around the back, the monitor offers a streamlined port layout that emphasizes modern connectivity. The inclusion of a USB Type-C port with 90 watts of power delivery is a standout design choice. This allows a laptop to be connected with a single cable that handles video signal data transfer and charging simultaneously. This one-cable solution significantly reduces desk clutter and simplifies the process of docking a mobile workstation. Performance is where this monitor truly defines its value proposition, especially in how it balances professional needs with entertainment capabilities. The Nano IPS panel is capable of reaching 98% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which is essential for creative professionals who need accurate color for photo editing or video production. The display is also VESADisplayHDR 600 certified, which means it can hit a peak brightness of 600 nits. This level of brightness, combined with the wide color gamut, allows for a much more impactful high dynamic range experience compared to entry-level HDR 400 monitors. For those who also use their workstation for gaming, the performance specifications are quite robust. It features a 144Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time. In the world of ultra-wides, finding a screen that offers both professional color accuracy and high-end gaming speed is rare. The high refresh rate makes every movement on the screen feel fluid and responsive, which is just as beneficial for smooth window dragging and animations in a professional operating system as it is for fast-paced gaming. To ensure that the visual experience remains tear-free, the monitor supports both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. These technologies synchronize the refresh rate of the monitor with the frame rate output of the graphics card, providing a seamless image even when performance fluctuates. The importance of these features becomes clear when considering how this monitor performs in real-world scenarios. The 38-inch size provides roughly 25% more screen real estate than a 34-inch monitor, which allows for comfortable side-by-side multitasking with 3 full-sized windows. For video editors, the extra width means a longer timeline can be viewed at once, while the extra vertical height allows for more layers or audio tracks to be visible without constant scrolling. The 90-watt power delivery through the USB-C port is powerful enough to charge even high-performance laptops, which often require more power than standard 60-watt ports can provide. This makes the monitor a central hub for a workspace, effectively replacing a standalone docking station. The combination of high resolution and high refresh rate means that the monitor does not force a choice between a sharp image and a smooth one. While standard 4K monitors often top out at 60 Hz or require a massive amount of graphical power, the 3840 by 1600 resolution hits a sweet spot that is easier for mid-range to high-end hardware to drive while still providing a significantly higher pixel count than standard high definition. This monitor is best suited for a specific type of professional or enthusiast who requires a versatile all-in-one display. It is an ideal choice for software developers who need the vertical space for code and the horizontal space for documentation and browser windows. It also appeals strongly to financial analysts or researchers who manage large spreadsheets, where being able to see more columns and rows simultaneously is a direct boost to efficiency. Creative professionals such as photographers and graphic designers will benefit from the Nano IPS panel and the high color accuracy, which ensures that what they see on the screen will translate correctly to print or other digital media. Furthermore, it is a compelling option for those who have a single desk for both work and play. The gaming features are not just an afterthought but are high enough in quality to satisfy competitive gamers who still want a sophisticated look for their office. Because of its white aesthetic, it is also a great fit for users who are building a specific color-themed setup or who want their technology to feel less industrial and more like a part of their home decor. In closing, the LG 38WR85QC-W is a premium display that attempts to bridge the gap between several different categories of monitors. It offers the expansive view of an ultrawide, the color precision of a professional creative tool, and the speed of a high-end gaming screen. At a price point of approximately $1,200 at the time of writing, it represents a significant investment in a desk setup. However, for those who spend the majority of their day in front of a computer, the benefits of a single high-quality large-format display can be substantial. It replaces the need for complex multi-monitor configurations and eliminates the bezels that would otherwise sit in the middle of the field of view. While the 38-inch size and the WQHD Plus resolution might be more than a casual user requires, the sheer versatility of the device makes it a powerful centerpiece for a modern workstation. It balances a sleek design with heavy-hitting technical specifications, providing a consistent and high-quality experience regardless of whether the task at hand is a complex project or high-speed entertainment. It is a well-rounded piece of technology that understands the needs of modern multifaceted users. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.